Good morning, everyone. Sadly, we have left the state of Washington.
Yep.
What an amazing week and a half in Washington. I actually think I could live here.
I think I could too.
Yeah. So we just stopped to refuel. We've got about 170 miles to go today. We're headed to Missoula. It's going to be a laundry afternoon. And I told Patty I'll be right back. I'm going to run into the restroom, and I'm in the trailer, and I hear the door open, and then all of a sudden the bathroom door opens, and I hear, "What the hell?" Apparently she thought I went into the restroom in the gas station. So I don't know. I thought it was her coming into the trailer. I didn't figure somebody else was just walking in, but she had no idea I was going to be in the restroom of the trailer. So
I think I jumped so high I hit my head.
So I wished I would have had it on camera. Her face was great. She literally jumped back, and I didn't even say boo or anything. I just was like, "Hi, how you doing?" So much for privacy in your own trailer. All right, we're gonna drive, take it on into Missoula, try to find a place to camp, and then do some laundry. And then we're headed back to West Yellowstone, where we're meeting up with our friends Russ and Kerry and Deanna and Shane from DnS Adventures YouTube channel. So this ought to be interesting. Again, this time 3 YouTubers together. There's going to be a lot of cameras. So.
Rolling.
All right, time to get on the highway and get to Missoula.
That's right.
Gorgeous view driving on 90 here in Montana. And Patty, what did you get us?
I got us some huckleberry shakes. We stopped at St. Regis in Montana. I think you did a little fill up, didn't you? And then
filled up.
I ran in, had a cute little to-go window at the restaurant, and I got us some shakes to go.
Now that is a good lunch.
Very good. Yum, yum.
So tonight we are harvest hosting, actually for the 3rd night in a row. Tonight we're at Big Sky Brewing, and you can see here, you're not going to get the scenic view like you do at some of the vineyards. We're actually parked out back of their big concert stage. They do concerts here, and if they're having concerts, they don't allow harvest hosting, but their next concert isn't till the end of the month. So we were able to get in here, and you can see there's one other trailer over here with us, and I'll just kind of walk you around. It's gravel, it's good and level, and up front is the brewery. Now, when we showed up, I went in and did a tasted a couple different beers. They've got a little shop in there. You can buy their beers by the can. They have growlers to go, and they also have a bunch of merchandise as well. And you can see this is where they do the big concerts. The stage is currently in the down position. So it's going to work perfect for tonight. There's just us and one other rig. And you know what? I spent $25 in the shop. I bought 2 kinds of beer, and I bought some coffee of all things because they had some fresh ground coffee. And now we have a place to sleep this evening. And tomorrow we're going to head on back to West Yellowstone. Well, Patty, having a little happy hour dinner. Can't beat chips with homemade queso and salsa for $5.
Yummy.
And these guys are just chilling or attempting to.
They're trying.
They're trying. Laundry's done.
Yep. Yay.
Yep. So then we'll probably just go back and we got to make a stop at Walmart again.
Yep.
And then tomorrow we're meeting up with the roads we roam. Russ and Kerry. Or the candy lady, as we like to call her now.
You call her the candy lady.
Patty can't take it anymore. She says the puppies are smelling. They rolled in too many
piles of goo.
And shellfish at the
shellfish,
beach.
Clams,
So we're doing the outdoor sour method, and they were getting a bath. Bessie's up first. We are about an hour from West Yellowstone. I gotta tell you, and I've said this on this whole trip, but amazing. I mean, it's just amazing. And we are so blessed to get out and see stuff like this. We're somewhere in Montana. I don't know. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Yeah. Everybody should get out and travel, whether it's in a tent or just a car and you're staying in a hotel. Get out and see America. This is, I mean, it almost leaves you speechless when you just see the beauty, and lots of different types of beauty. I mean, we've seen everything from almost deserty type that's gorgeous to mountains, Rocky Mountains, to whatever this is. I mean, it's hills, it's leading into mountains soon, the stream. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm looking for our boondocking spot, and our friends from the Roads We Roam, Russ and Kerry, and I'm down this, yeah, whatever it is. So I've had to turn around. This isn't nearly as bad as last year in Teddy Roosevelt, but all right, we're gonna go back down and see if we can't find Russ and Kerry, because I'm pretty sure they're not here. Where are you, Russ and Kerry? Where are you? I'm scared. Just joking. This is what we got to drive through. We are definitely going to scratch up some.
You think? What the heck? Where are we?
Good Lord.
We peeked up somewhere.
Yeah, well, technically we're still in the dispersed camping area, but I don't know that it was meant to bring a trailer.
I think you just wanted to go looking for Sasquatch.
Yeah, like what would have made me think that Russ and Kerry would have brought their big Class A down this little... I don't know. Heck, I would have taken that first campsite I seen way down.
It was beautiful.
But they say they've got an awesome spot, so we're gonna... And they have phone service there, so that's a good sign. But I can't imagine how many scratches Fred and Carl are gonna have coming through that.
I think a bunch.
Okay, if this seems a little rocky, it's because it is, people. This is real life. Ooh, live action. Okay, now I think we're back to where it's not quite so bad. We found you!
Yes. You didn't die.
We didn't die. We may have scratched up the car and the trailer, but yeah, you know.
There are a couple of spots here. We initially had tried to pull in there, but then we were like, we didn't read the sun well. I was like, no, I want solar. I want sun for solar. But then once the sun got above the trees, we got full sun. But then there's quite a bit of room to, or you guys can even just come, you know, straight this way or something. And there's
All right, we are all set up. We're at the Bootjack Dispersed camping area right off US 20 in Island Park, Idaho. You can see we're set up over here, and Russ and Kerry are set up right over here. Beautiful pine trees. We're going to get good solar, keep that battery charged, and yeah, nice and quiet. And I'm going to guess tonight we're going to get some good stars. So I cooked tonight, and we did some ribeyes, some fried red potatoes, which came from Walter's Fruit Ranch, as well as the peas that Kerry helped me shuck. And so did the cucumbers. We got some creamy cucumbers and then just some Walmart bread. So we're all hanging out here in this free campsite. It's something about the four of us get together, and it's free campsites. And we also have Shane here tonight from DnS Adventures. Make sure you check out their channel. If you're not already subscribed, you should. So
Boiler up, right?
Boiler up.
Boiler up.
Yep. So we love Shane and Deanna because of we love their channel, but we especially love them because they're both Purdue grads. So yeah, absolutely. And then there's Russ bringing up the
rear.
Yep.
Thankfully, I didn't open it.
Yeah. Maybe I should get Russ opening his Rainier on camera.
I think I'll hold off for just a tad.
Good morning, everybody. It is, I believe, a Tuesday morning.
Yeah, it's Tuesday.
So kind of lose track when you're gone like this. So I guess Kerry says this is actually fish and wildlife land, Idaho Fish and Wildlife. At any rate, it's free and it's gorgeous. We're just out taking Truman and Bess for a little walk here. And kind of just walking through lots of land, lots of places you could camp out here for free. And if you're using solar like us, no problems getting sun.
No, you get plenty of sun.
Yeah, but the nice thing is there's trees around too, so you can kind of move your lawn chairs to get shade.
Yeah, it's like as the day goes, you get your sun and
Yeah.
you get your shade. And
Yeah,
you get
we have to
plenty.
move. It's like a progressive party.
Yeah.
You're moving your chairs as the day goes. But
If you don't want to be in the sun.
yeah. So we're just kind of walking through here, checking it out, and some gorgeous wildflowers and the pine trees. And
Pretty.
this morning I made breakfast for all of us. And tonight, Russ and Kerry are making dinner. So excited about that. Last night we did steaks and
But all this fresh
fresh produce.
and veggies and
Yeah.
stuff that
So
we'd gotten at the
Shane
farm.
from DnS was over, which was fun,
Yeah.
meeting up with former Boilermaker. Yep. And again, check out their channel. So
what is it, DnS Adventures?
DnS Adventures.
There you
So
go.
all right, let's just keep walking these guys.
Corn on the cob, some watermelon and grapes, and some of the Buckin best root beer that you've ever had.
Buckin root beer.
And what was in the Instant Pot?
It's a sweet and sour pork kielbasa.
Ooh. So once again, see, we came back this way just so you'd cook for us again. It was worth the miles.
We had to lure you back so I could have your good breakfast, and the steak last night was too dire.
Yeah,
for.
the steak was fantastic.
It hit the spot.
So if anybody hasn't figured out the best part of us getting together, well, not the best part. We have a great time just hanging out together.
We like to eat.
But we love to eat. We cook for each other, which is nice. It's really nice to have a break, isn't it, for like a day and have somebody else cook for you?
It is.
There's Russ shooting his video, and see, this is what we do. We all take video. All right, let's eat.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin.
It is Tuesday morning, I think, and we're out here in the wilderness, and Russ and Kerry are still with us.
Morning.
We're all packing up this morning and going to head into West Yellowstone. But look at this breakfast Kerry made for us. This looks amazing. French toast and bacon. We got our coffee mug side by side, and we have all kinds of syrups. We have a huckleberry. Is that a huckleberry butter you called it, or a huckleberry?
It's huckleberry creamed honey.
Creamed honey. This stuff is amazing. For those of you in the Midwest, it's like the peanut butter spread you get at the Amish restaurants, except it's with huckleberry. And then we have the official maple syrup of Travels with Delaney, Baird Farms here. And we also have this amazing huckleberry syrup. So I say let's dig in while it's still warm.
That's right.
What do you think, Patty? Time to eat?
Sounds good.
Yummy! Come and get it.
Yummy.
We're on the roads we roam with the roads we roam. There's Russ and Kerry in Boone. We're all heading back into town. We're gonna stay another night in town and go get pizza tonight after Kerry gets off work. We got some shopping to do. Gonna go buy some more candy, Patty.
More candy.
How about some peppermint, Patty?
That would be good. That's right.
Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Thank you, Idaho. We love you. Okay, we've gotten all set up here. You can see Carl looks a lot better, and so does Fred. First thing we did when we got into West Yellowstone is hit the car wash, and we could see we definitely have some scrapes from that tree incident, and I'm not sure they're going to show up. And probably more sadly is the windows. It looks like they got some scrapes. I'm not sure those are going to show up. But what are you going to do, right? You buy these things to use them. I like getting out in places like this, we're getting good solar right here. And you can see this is National Forestry, Baker Hole right outside of West Yellowstone. Big picnic table, fire pit, and just across the way is a little stream, or actually a pretty good sized stream. So we'll get some. We're in West Yellowstone, just hanging out in the park, letting Truman and Bess do some walking, and we're taking in a softball game.
That's right, lots of fun. You
Looks
can
like,
tell they're really into it.
yeah, very enthusiastic, actually pretty good players.
Co-ed.
Yep.
Yeah.
So just killing some time, and then we're headed to go get dinner with Russ and Kerry. So
Yep.
I say let's head that way.
Okay.
I'm getting hungry. Thank you to Ron and Lisa Beard for supporting our channel and making episodes like this one possible. Yeah, I tell you what, this is one of these places, again, I would say that I wasn't real necessarily thrilled about coming to. I just thought, big rock, big deal. top 2 probably favorite things we've done on this trip.
Yeah.